Okay, so car A is travelling at 20 meters per second, right, on a straight road, and it overtakes car B, which is travelling at 15 meters per second. And then car B immediately accelerates, and t seconds later it overtakes car A. So when t is capital T, it overtakes car A, which has kept its speed of 20. So the car A has kept the speed of 20, which means the acceleration of car A is 0. Distance travelled by each car in time t is 600 meters. Okay, so s is 600. We can say the same then here. Okay, s will be 600 when time is equal to capital T. So part A then, it says show that t equals 30. Well, because we've got so many variables here with car A, we'll use car A, and acceleration is 0, so we can easily work out there the time is 30 by using equations of motion. S equals ut plus half at squared. Now s is 600, u is 20, capital T of course, and then acceleration 0, so that just disappears, and we've got a straightforward then equation to work out time. Okay, in effect then, got the distance then divided by the speed of it. Okay, and we get 30 out straight away. Part B then says find the magnitude, calculate the magnitude of the acceleration of car A. So car A is accelerating. We've got information here, and of course now we know that this is 30. So again, using s equals ut plus half at squared, I can find now the acceleration of car A. Okay, it's travelled 600 meters with an initial velocity of 15, and in 30 seconds, then it's done this, so we can work out what the acceleration is. So do the maths there with that, take the 450 over. So this will be 150. So an A will equal 150 divided by 450, and that simplifies to be 1/3, okay? 1/3 meters per second squared. Part C then, find the speed of car B at the moment it overtakes car A. So we want V, don't we? We want V for car B. Okay, and remember with car B, U is equal to 15, and in time of 30 seconds it's travelled 600 meters. So we can work out V, the speed when it overtakes after 30 seconds, using S equals half U plus VT. So S will be 600, U will be 15, and we can work out V just by working out the numbers here. So 600, half times 30 is 15. So it'll be 225 plus 15V. Okay, so we've got that. So we work that out, that's 375 divided by 15 equals V. We get V to be out 25 meters per second. Okay. Part D then, it says on the same diagram draw velocity time graph. So when it comes to drawing a velocity time graph, don't forget you need to label your axes. Velocity here, time here. Now on the same diagram, car A of course has just travelled 20 meters per second. Okay, and by the way, before I start drawing any graphs in here, just remember that we're interested in the journey from A to B. Okay, of cars A and B in this 30-second interval. Okay, so we're not told anything beyond the 30-second interval. So if I just find, say, 20 to be there, okay, car A is just going to travel at a horizontal speed, constant speed, for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds is gone. Car A has just stayed at 20 meters per second. Okay, so it's important to sort of to notice a horizontal line there for the full 30-second interval. It hasn't changed the speed. Car B, however, starts off at 15, doesn't it? Okay, which it says about there. By the time it overtakes car A, it's now travelling at 25 meters per second. So we worked that out in part C. Okay, so 25 meters per second is up here. Okay. After 30 seconds, it's got to 25 meters per second. So we'll join that up as well, just to show that it is 25. Okay, well, it's slightly off there, but I can just rub that out. Put 25 there. Good stuff. And we're interested in speeds where they equal. Okay, so basically, I want to know that time there. Yeah, value of time when the speeds are equal. So when these speeds are equal, of course, when car A and car B are 20, okay, so if I use the equations, so using V equals U plus AT, well, we know it'll be 20 for car B, the initial speed for car B is 15, we know the acceleration is a third, so we can work out the time from there. So 20 take away 15 is a third times t, 5 equals a third times t, so t will be 15 seconds. Okay, so be halfway through.